How to mark invoices as paid in Xero. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can mark invoices as paid in Xero. Now, what do you do first? The first thing to do is to open up your Xero account. Once it's opened and you're on the your dashboard, that is the home page for Xero, next for you to do is to select business. Business is next to your dashboard. So just click on business. Once you click on business, the business menu would be displayed, and then go ahead and select invoices. Once you select invoices, you'll be brought to this page. Now, to select or to mark an invoice as paid, all you need to do is for you to select the invoice that you want to mark as paid. When you select it, a box would pop up showing a list of options. All you need to do is to click on mark as paid, and then the invoice will be marked as paid. Currently, I do not have any any invoice on my account. That is why this place is empty. As for you, I'm sure you have a list of invoices. So just select the invoice that you want to mark as paid, and then once you select it, the box will be displayed to you. Select mark as paid, and then the invoice will be marked as paid. So quick and easy. Thanks for watching.